Alrighty, let's make the Volcano burger. First thing we gotta do is make the Volcano sauce. In a bowl, you see 5 teaspoons of mac and cheese powder. You can find this in any box of mac and cheese. It's that little packet. Then I added a teaspoon of water and we mixed that up. Now comes the rest of the shit. We're gonna need a half a cup of mayo, a teaspoon of vinegar, 3/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne, although I upped it to a full teaspoon because I like shit spicy. Half a teaspoon of paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and a pinch of the garlic and onion powders. Then, basically, you get all this shit together and you start stirring until it all comes together. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Alright, now we come to the patties themselves. I just dusted them with a store-bought hot and spicy burger mix. Seasoned them up, and they're literally just third-pound patties of 80/20 ground chuck. Nothing special there. Alright, and through the magic of cooking show editing, these burgers are done. Now, because I want it hot and spicy, there's going to be a slice of pepper jack laid down, but we're not done yet. Now, those other 2 burgers have shredded Colby Jack on them, but they're a burger for a different thing. Actually, it's just some people that I had over, they don't like, they don't mind spice, but they don't like, super spice, so, because this slice of cheese is habanero jack. And we'll let these get melted up and take them on in the house. Alrighty, time to assemble our Volcano burger. Nice little bit of lettuce. Get that Volcano sauce all over that top toasted bun. Patty down. Get some pickled jalapenos on there for good measure. And then that's it. Boom. Volcano burger. Done. But wait, little cross section. Look at that shit.